Everyone, welcome to Learning Impact. In today's lecture, we will study about what is sociology. Sociology consists of two Latin words, socius and logos. Socius means companionship, logos means study. It means study the companionship, it study associations of people, it study the groups of people who are living in a specific geography and form society. So we can say that sociology is a systematic study of society. Systematic study means it is scientific study. It study it through a specific methodology. And what aspect of society sociologists study? Sociologists study almost every aspect, any aspect that is related to society or associated with the individual, that is the subject matter of sociology. Then the question arises that who is sociologist? Sociologist is someone concerned with understanding of society in a disciplined way. Anyone who wants to study society in a disciplined way means that in step-by-step manner they want to have a deep understanding of society, they are sociologists. The term sociology was first coined in 1780 by the French essayist Emmanuel Joseph Size in an unpublished manuscript. So we can say that it was a Joseph Size who gave the term sociology for the first time in 1780, but unfortunately his manuscript in which he published this term sociology was unpublished. Yes, it means it was not real. So we cannot classify him as the first who coined this term. Now the Auguste Comte is considered to reinvent this term and is considered the father of sociology. In 1838 this term was reinvented. Almost after 50 years this term was then reinvented by Auguste Comte. That's why he is known as the father of sociology. Then Harriet Martineau was the first woman. She is considered the first woman sociologist who translated the Comte writings from French to English. Hence, she introduced sociology to the English-speaker scholars. Auguste Comte was a French sociologist. His writing was obviously in French language. So Harriet Martineau was the first woman sociologist who translated Comte writings from French to English, and it was considered the major contribution because then the sociology knowledge was then able to reach to the English speakers also, because they also become capable to understand that. So that's why Harriet Martineau is known as the mother of sociology. Then there was a sociologist known as Emile Durkheim who developed sociology as an academic discipline, because he was the first who made the department of sociology in Europe in the University of Bordeaux in 1895. And for his contribution he is known as the founder of sociology, because he was the first who established sociology as an academic discipline. Before that, sociology was a part of the other social sciences like economics, history, but sociology then emerged as an academic discipline by Emile Durkheim, and he was also the first who got PhD degree in sociology. Then there was the first book with the term sociology in title was written by the Herbert Spencer, called The Study of Sociology. The first book which has the term sociology in title, it is here, The Study of Sociology, written by Herbert Spencer, and that's why this book is considered the most very famous book of Herbert Spencer. Herbert Spencer was the one who gave the grand theory of social evolution in sociology. Then there was the world first sociologist was from Tunisia, known as Ibn Khaldun. Ibn Khaldun is from pre-Enlightenment era, and in the era in which he did his contribution, at that time the sociology term was not discovered. But after that, when the sociologists, this word came into being, the sociology and the sociologist, it was then defined that what does it mean. Then the Ibn Khaldun was classified as the first sociology, because his all studies were related to society. Like he do a comparative study of the nomadic and sedentary societies. He studied the social cohesion also. So all his contribution were related to society. That's why he was labeled as the first sociologist. As we say that sociology study different aspects of society, so what kinds of aspects of society is studied? Here are some examples. Like it may include culture, It may include social relationship, like people relationship, how they interact in the individual. Social interaction, how two or more people interact, like it may be face-to-face interaction, maybe through any other means of communication. Social group, how two or more people they form a social group. Social status, what is the position or identity of individual in society. Social fact, what are the shared thoughts and expectations of society. Social role, what is the expected behavior or from an individual in society. Social institutions, a setup that form rules and regulations for us to follow. And individual, the major component of society, like without individual society cannot form. And collective behavior, like how the group they behave in a collective manner, in a spontaneous way. Social change, any change, or any change means that anything that is deviated from the expectation of society. Social group, deviancy, social control, community, association, and at the last, social conflict. These all are the different aspects of society. These are just a few examples. There are also many other aspects of society which sociologists study. Okay, so this is all the subject matter of sociology and introduction of sociology. Like, share, and subscribe our channel for the latest lectures. Thank you so much.